We're joined this morning by Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we have a recipe that I'm super excited about because it's chocolate.
And peppermint.
I know, the one earlier was for you, but we're making I like this too because when I bake or cook, it needs to be, I have a short attention span. So it's the quick chocolate peppermint pie. And it was a winner at the Heart Healthy Recipe Contest. And Margaret Miller of Hutch was the winner. So how do we make it?
Okay, and we showed this earlier, but we'll show again in case people missed it. You each have some tofu there because both of the dessert recipes that we did this morning use tofu, so it makes it heart healthy and takes out a lot of other calories that might be from other ingredients. But you can see it kind of looks like cream cheese.
It does.
It doesn't taste like cream cheese. It really doesn't have any flavor at all. But she used extra firm tofu, which you can find in the store, and then you need to press it. You can feel it. It's kind of watery. I've already pressed this, but when you take it out of the package, put it on a paper towel, drain the water off first, put it on the paper towel, then put another paper towel on top of it, and then put something heavy on it that will kind of push out the water. And that will make it easier when you make it to make it nice and firm.
Okay.
So then I put that in the food processor, and really you can do this whole recipe in the food processor and make it easy to make. But there we have it. There, I wanted you to be able to see how we blended it up. Now you're going to add our soy milk. That's 1/4 cup of soy milk I'm going to stir in. And then you each have some of our flavorings. Yeah, what do you have?
The vanilla, I think.
Yes, you
Or is that whiskey? I can't tell.
Oh my.
It's Charlene. We're just getting ready for the holidays. I'm kidding.
It's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You
vanilla.
were right.
It's
yes.
vanilla. Okay.
And what do you? And you can add that.
Okay.
And what do you have?
I have peppermint extract, right?
Yes, you do. Another teaspoon of that to give it a more peppermint flavor. We'll mix that in there. And then this is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips that I melted in the microwave. And be careful when you do that so you don't overdo it. But she suggested 40 seconds. Mine took a little bit longer, but just do it in intervals so that, another 15 seconds or so to get that nice and melted for us. There, we'll put that there. And then stir that in. And that's all there is to this recipe. And
wait, that's it?
That's it, yeah.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah, and if you do this all in the food processor, well then you will have that nice and creamy. Okay, so there's that.
Awesome.
And then she used just a store-bought cookie crust, chocolate
Easy
cookie
enough.
crust. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And pour that into it.
Okay.
And then look how nice that pie sets up.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, that's
Yeah.
because of the
Beautiful.
tofu. And then we topped it with whipped cream and what else?
And peppermint.
And peppermint crushed candies to give it
looks
a
so
holiday
pretty.
flair.
How fun is that? I love it. And look, Charlene brought us a present.
All ready for Christmas.
Yes, we are. It looks so beautiful. I just love the red because it really
do too.
pops.
It does. Hey, tell people how they can get the recipe.
Yes, they should go to kansassoybeans.org, call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN. We'll send them all the recipes for December so that they'll have them for their holidays.
All right.
Thank you so much. All right, stay with us because we're back right after this.